The SIMPSON PowerShot PS60843 gas pressure washer is designed for both prosumers and professionals, offering impressive power for deep outdoor cleaning and maintenance tasks. Equipped with a CRX 420 cubic centimeter premium engine, this pressure washer delivers 4,400 psi at 4.0 gallons per minute, ensuring high efficiency and performance. The machine's robust construction includes a welded steel frame with a powder-coated finish, providing durability and resistance to corrosion. Featuring 13-inch premium pneumatic tires, it is easy to maneuver across various terrains, making it ideal for diverse job sites. The package includes a 50-foot monster hose, which is resistant to kinks and abrasions, along with 5 quick-connect nozzles for different spray patterns. This pressure washer is designed to withstand harsh environments, making it a reliable choice for contractors involved in deck cleaning, wood restoration, and graffiti removal.